Welcome everyone to question number 1 activity selection from the topic 3D in Geek for Geeks must do coding interview question. And we'll be discussing the meaning and approach behind it. But before that, if you have any extra mail IDs, please do subscribe and support our channel. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below and we'll be very quick to respond. Now let us discuss the question. In this question, it is saying there is two arrays, okay? One is start and one is end here, as you can see. So what this start and end are saying is that there is a certain person who is working day and night, okay, who is working day and night. Now we have to tell how many tasks can he perform, like only single person, how many tasks can he perform, right? Since only single person perform this task, so the starting day and ending day, okay, both he will work. Start day and ending day also both he has to work, then only the work will be finished. Okay, so after finishing the earlier work, only then he can go to the other work. Okay, and we have to choose the optimal solution out of it. We have to choose the optimal count where he can work more than one activity if possible. Okay, we have to use the optimal work where he can work optimally. Let us start with the example here. Now we have to do is we have to make an array or a list, and in that list we have to include start and end pairs. Okay, this is the multi-dimensional list. Now we have to include starting day and ending day arrays in this. Okay, now we have included starting and ending days in a multi-dimensional list. Now we have to sort this array. Okay, on basis of what we have to sort? We have to sort on the basis of ending day. Why? Because if you take this minimum shortest day and we sort according to that, the ending day can be different, right? Suppose I have taken one as a starting day, okay, and the ending day of that is 5 now, and there are other elements in between like 2 to 3. Okay, there is another element from 2 to 3, then there is another element from 3 to 5. Okay, if I take the starting day for sorting, then I will miss out 2 to 3 and 3 to 5 also, right? So we don't want to miss that out. So what we are doing is we are taking the end of the day. Okay, we're taking the end of the day and we are sorting basis on that. Okay, if we sort basis of the end of the day, then we get 2 3, one will be 2 3 and other will be 3 5 and 1 5, right? This is what we'll get if we sort it according to the end of the day. So this problem can be ignored. Okay, let us write the above example. Sorting by sorting the end of the day. Now we are sorting s dot sort. Okay, and in that we are going to use key equal to lambda function here. Key will be lambda, right? We have to use this function. Okay, and the syntax may be incorrect. You'll see the correct syntax in the coding. Okay, lambda, and this will be p means the array that we are sorting. You can take any variable name, that doesn't matter. And in that variable, we are going to sort on the basis of the right side element. Okay, in that right side element we are going to sort. This is a multi-dimensional, right? P0 will be the left side one and P1 will be the right side one. So we are sorting according to the second element inside the list of the s variable only, right? In the p element, in that p element we have 0 and 1 indexes. So in that we are going to sort according to the one index. Okay, after sorting we will be getting elements such as 1 2 2 3 3 4 and 5 6. Now we have sorted successfully. Okay, after sorting we got the elements. Now we have to compare the end of the day with the next starting of the day. If end of the day is smaller than the next pair starting day, then only it will be a valid activity. Okay, we will be counting how many activities can a single person work. This 2 is smaller than the starting day of the next element or not? No, it is not. So the count, we will not be taking this element. And remember, whatever we're comparing, that already will be included in the count. So the count will be here equal to 1 here. It will start only. Since the second element does not satisfy the condition, now we're going to the next condition here. Okay, next condition will be 3 here. We're going to check the start of the day of the next element to the previous end of the day. When we see the previous end of the day is smaller than the start of the day, then that person can successfully start his work on the next activity from the next element, right? So the count will increase. 1 plus 1 count is increased. Since we found the element, now we no longer require the first element to compare. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch this index to this one. Okay, and then we will again count from the next element. Okay, now we're going to compare the end of the element and the next starting the element. Now we see is smaller than the starting the element. Yes, 4 is smaller than 5, so we can count again. So in this way we got total 3 as the value. So this will be our output for this question. I hope you have understood the basic meaning and how can we approach in terms of coding. Okay, now let us go into the Geek for Geeks website and it will be more clear once we see the code. Now we're inside the Geek for Geeks website here, and here we got start value and end value. We're going to convert that into a, and we are going to convert that into a list of start and pairs. Okay, we have added those list of start and pairs in activity variable. After that, we're going to sort that. Okay, we have sorted according to the end date of that pair. Okay, after sorting, we have taken result as 1 here at the start, because whatever element we're going to compare, that element should be counted. Okay, so that's why we are starting with result as 1 here. Okay, fine. Now j is equal to 0 and for I in range n, this j will be used to switch the positions of the next element where the condition is satisfied. Okay, and that condition will be activity I0, which is the starting of the day. Starting of the day should be always greater than the ending of the day. Okay, this j is 0 here, so it will be comparing the previous element. Okay, this is the first element is comparing here, so that will be false. But from the second cases it will check another different element. Okay, here I will be updated and j will be the previous value only, it will be same. So whenever the condition satisfies, and we will update the count of that result plus equal to 1, and then we'll be switching the j equal to I. Okay, after that the loop has been iterated, then we will get the final result in the res variable, and that will be our final solution. I hope you have understood the question and the code behind it. If you like the video, please give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment down below. We'll be very quick to respond. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.